Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Dolphin Dividends, which launches on the 10th of June at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this new release by myself. And if you're ready for something completely different and you're fed up with all the push button solutions that are going around the gardens at the moment, then I've come up with something that is going to actually work for you, and that is Dolphin Dividends, which deals with publishing low content books. Now, if that sounds a little bit daunting, the first thing to reassure you is that you don't need to write anything in low content books. In fact, most low content books don't actually have any words in at all, except possibly on the front cover. So what are they? Well, we're talking about things like puzzle books, mazes, journals, planners, all of that sort of thing, where it is the person that's buying them that fills in the content, that completes the maze or writes in the journal, writes in the notebook and so on. So it's actually quite a fun thing to do and create. The good thing about it is that you don't need any sort of email list. You don't need to pay for advertising because the platforms that you're going to be promoting the books on do all of that for you. And once you've created a book, you can earn from it passively over and over again. So every time you put in some effort and create one individual low content book, then the potential to earn from that, royalties from that, is there for forevermore. So you can very easily scale this up by just producing more and more content. So if that sounds like it's something that is of interest and a refreshing new method, then listen on to this review video. I'm also going to go through the bonuses that everybody gets that picks up Dolphin Dividends, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here. And we're also going to have a look at the sales page. Here it is. Sales page for Dolphin Dividends. As you know, I don't go in for long hypey sales pages. There I am. Hi everyone. And we'll also have a look at the upsells, and of course we will take you into the members area. There are actually two members area because there's a pro version of this as well, which has got a separate members area. So let's crack on. And now for something completely different, fed up with hype and want something that actually works. A lot of affiliate marketing products promise the world but deliver absolutely nothing. All they do in reality is make the product vendors rich. It's time to put some clear blue water between us and all the hype merchants. Let's create some proper in-demand digital products that people actually want to buy. You won't find any hype here, no promises of instant results, just great over-the-shoulder training showing you what actually works, which I like to think is a hallmark of my products. So let's first deal with these bonuses that everybody is going to get. When you click on the link below, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm recording now will be in there. What's Dolphin Dividends all about? Easily create low content books, learn how to market them in secret places. Perfect even for those who don't speak English. Easy to follow over the shoulder videos. Get your first profits in hours. Hours from going on sale. I will add a caveat to that on the main platform that you're going to be putting them on, it will take about 72 hours to get your books approved. Rinse and repeat to scale up your weekly earnings, and there's a short demo video from me as well showing you again around the members area. So what am I going to throw in here? Well, one of the masters of low content books is Ike Pars, who is a great internet marketer, and he's actually partnered with me on one of my upsells, which I'll come on to later. But I'm also throwing in completely free as a bonus his flagship course in printables called Printly. Now this will show you not just about low content books. In fact, I think it barely mentions it in this particular course, but it will show you lots of other ways that you can make money from printable products. So this is like a crucial part of the advanced training, really. Ryken is another product that will show you how to make money on eBay from selling vintage clothing. So what I've tried to come up with these bonuses is coming up with different income streams that don't rely on the usual affiliate marketing stuff. Also, expired domains masterclass. This is how you can make money from flipping domains that have expired. This is like good quality web addresses that people have forgotten to renew, but because they've got a lot of status, high authority, it means that you can easily sell them on, buy them cheaply and sell them on for a profit. The Ultimate CPA Masterclass, I've included this because cost per action is a great way for new people to make money without the need to sell anything. And finally, one of my products, again, that deals with passive income, Panda Payments, shows you how you can make recurring monthly income. So do the work once and get paid over and over again, exactly as you will with Dolphin dividends. So they are my custom bonuses, folks. Let's head over to my sales page. As you may know, it doesn't take long to go through one of my sales pages, so there isn't any hype there. You can have a quick read through this, folks. So there's that same demo video. Bit of income proof. Now, again, I'm adding the caveat that this is my overall income from all my online activities. It isn't just from the method outlined in Dolphin Dividends, but I hope that it shows you at least that I do know what I'm doing. This is a figure from the end of April, just under 27,000 there, and at the start of April, 20,000. So this is, you know, some of my recent earnings these days. This is what we've just gone through about what Dolphin Dividends is all about. This is confirmation of the 5 vendor bonuses that you'll be getting from me when you pick this up. 30-day money-back guarantee, as usual with all my products. And the front end price for this is $14.95, folks. Yeah, $14.95. Let's have a quick look in the members area. So this is the front end members area. Let me just go back to the start. Okay, so when you come into the members area, you'll land on this page here. Welcome video from me is there. And you should also subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on this button here, where you'll get some more additional training. And you'll also be involved in a free training webinar that's actually being run this time by one of my mentors, John Thornhill, another British marketer who I've learned an awful lot from. And an hour of his time is really, really invaluable. Don't miss this free training, because his time, he's at a premium. It's rare that he does coaching, so I strongly advise you to attend that. The overview here. I just want to get the graphic up, so let's just start this video. Okay. Hey, welcome to this. Just want to wait until the main graphic comes up. So let's have a look and see exactly what we are going to discover in the... All right, getting quite techie here, aren't we, really? I'd like to say it's all my work, but I've got a new technical man, Lou Hornberger, who's actually been helping me a bit with this launch. So he's done the nice graphics and techie stuff. Well, I actually did design the graphic, but he's made it do sort of some clever things. So so we're going to learn here what are low content books, then how to make some, then how to put a cover on. Now this is going to be the most important thing you do, because this is really what's going to sell your low content book. Then how to promote them, and then simply how to rinse and repeat and do it over and over again. And then we've got all our main training in here. We've got the resources, we've got conclusions, we've got all your bonuses are in here, and if you miss any upgrades, they're also in here. So a pretty straightforward members area. So talking of those upgrades, what are they? So as I said, the front end is $14.95. There's actually a typo on here. The upsell, the pro version is actually 37, not 27. That is actually a typo. So the pro version, the front end is going to show you how to make 2 different types of books, and it's going to show you the main platform that you can market them on. Now, if you really want to scale up, then with this pro version, we're going to show you another 5 different methods, 5 different types of book that you can make. So that will be 7 in total, and also 3 other places that you can market them. So I do recommend the pro version to enable you to really scale up with this method. Upsell number 2 is my 6 super solos, $67. You can send 6 solo ads to my group of 25 websites in the Make Money Online niche. All of these members are people that are interested in Make Money Online products, and you can send a solo email to them 6 times. So that is like a really valuable product at a very cheap price. Quadruple reseller rights. Now, most people normally sell reseller rights just to the product that they're promoting. So in this case, Dolphin Dividends. But what I'm doing is I'm giving you reseller rights not just to Dolphin Dividends, but also 3 of my other best-selling products: Greyhound Giveaways, Panda Payments, and Puma Products. You can sell all 4 of those as if they were your own. It's like getting 4 of your own products, and you can sell them and keep 100% of the profits across the entire funnel, and that is available for $97. Dolphin Dividends done for you. Now, what this is, in fact, is slightly different to what's written on there, because I've since teamed up with Ike Paz, so it's actually even better than it's written here. What you're going to get is some additional top quality training from Ike Paz, who I believe is the king of done for you books. So you're going to get additional training from him, and he's going to give you for free 100 templates for creating done for you books, and these are all stuff that he succeeds with on a daily basis. So this is like a really valuable advanced training for 197, which I think is a great price for it. And finally, if you're really up for it, there's a chance to launch a product with me for $997. Now, this will pretty much guarantee that you'll get at least 200 to 300 buyers on your email list from this launch. You should also make some money from it as well, because I'm covering all the costs of the launch and you're going to get 25% of the profit. So if my launch is a typical launch, then you should expect to pretty much make your money back just from the launch itself. And then with all the new buyers that you're getting on your list, as you know, one buyer is worth on average $1 per month. So that means that if you've got 300 buyers on your list, then they're worth an average of $300 a month to you. So over the course of the next year, you'd be earning about $3,600 from them, having already broken even on the launch. So if you're looking to launch a product and you want to take some of the gambles and some of the risks out, then this is a pretty good way to do it. So that is a big opportunity, limited to 5 people. So that is the they are the upsells. And that is pretty much it, folks. So if you want to pick this up, and I hope that you will, it's a nice method. It's a fun method and a creative method, which I think is nice. You know, move away from all these push button solutions and do something that people actually want to buy. So all you have to do is click on the green button. Then when the cart opens, simply click on the button here, and then that will take you into your members area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button to access your copy of Dolphin Dividends. And on this occasion, you don't need to click on the blue button to access my bonuses, because they will already be there waiting for you. As you've seen in the members area, the bonuses will already be in here ready for you to access. Okay, so that is it. I'm not going to give this a star rating as usual, because it's my own product and that would not be a good thing to do, but I hope you will enjoy it, and I hope you've enjoyed this review video. Indeed, if you have, then please do click on the subscribe button underneath and also the bell icon, and then you will be informed every time that I bring out a new recording or a new training video or any content like that. So until then, this has been Dawood Islam with my review of Dolphin Dividends.